Hi guys, we're gonna download MySql to our Mac and then install it. Just write MySql download and click enter and come to mysql.com and just click download and come to downloads and then come to MySql community GPL download. Now we're gonna do two-stage download. Firstly, we're gonna download MySql community server, and then we're gonna download Workbench. And now we're gonna click community server. And here we need to check all is selected and also operating system should be MacOS, and then come to the latest version. So just click download, and after that we're gonna download Workbench and click download for this. Also it's for macOS operating system. So it's downloading. We have downloaded community server file. Just click it to get it started and go on OK button and then come to System Preferences and come to Security and Privacy Settings. Done. And now come to this and unlock the button. Then just write your password to go. Yes. Click open and again click open and just go it by clicking. Then we need to click this and we need to accept. Again, just click download and write down your password. Click use legacy password encryption. We need to create password. Come to next and create a password. Then click finish button. And we need to write down our password again. And just go. And installation is finished. Just close it and close the tabs. We've done with this. Then now we need to come to Workbench file and just click it to start install. In the same way, and just click MySql Workbench button, and we're gonna start install. Yes. Then click open button Yeah, that's open. Yes, we created our workbench. So just write down your password and then go. And then we have done with install MySql. You can use it. Thank you.